So in earlier videos, you saw that I would copy the home point. I would go to the bottom and I would paste, and we get the shift paste screen. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Well, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to use that shift paste. So we have the original 4 points in our program. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the robot to the start of the weld. This is going to act as my reference point. Check multi-select because I want all 4 points. Hit copy. Turn off the multi-select. Go to the bottom and then paste. And this time I'm going to select the shift. Now the reason for tracing to the start of the weld, because now this is the reference point and I can record that reference point of the original location of the part. Now I move the cobot to the target, and the target is the new location of the second part. Hit record, and you can see we have our offset. Hit shift paste, and now we have the additional 4 points. If we bring it over, and then play, the cobot goes to the original line. And then comes over to the second part that we use our copy paste shift. The main thing to remember with this is that if we do this again, hit the copy. The one thing to remember, once I have the copy, to uncheck the multi-select and move to the bottom or move to wherever you want to place the, so if I want to place that in the middle, and move it there, just remember to move the cursor to where you want to insert the points that are on the clipboard. So that's the number one thing to remember, is to move the cursor to the right location where the paste is going to occur.